let's look at how you can find all records in a file. Vernon CMS uses search operators, which are special characters that you can use to refine and expand your searches. Entering a right square bracket at the end of a search query will find all data that starts with the preceding characters. So I entered Vernon ST in a right square bracket, and it's found records that contain Vernon Street. You can use the starts with operator, that is the right square bracket, by itself in the search bar to find all records in a file. For example, let's say you want to open the procedural status file because you want to review your procedural status terms. You can go to the database menu, other files, then search for object status, and open the object procedural status file. Now that I've got that file open, if I enter a right square bracket in the search bar and press enter, the authority options window will open with a list of all the terms in the file, and you can select the records that you want to open. Another example might be in the department file. You might open the department file directly from the department field on the object identification window by clicking into the field and clicking Go To on the toolbar. With the department file window open, I can click into the search bar and enter a right square bracket, press enter to open a list of all of the terms or records in the file. It's important not to use this search technique on large files like object and person, as there could be so many records it would take a long time to open the list.